Hello, this is a video for anybody that's having trouble with their fraction work. I found a website called timestable.co.uk, and on here it's got a multiplication grid which is going to be really useful for you when you're working on your fractions and converting them. Okay, so I'll just show you how this works. Across the top here you've got the numbers 1 to 12, and down the side you've got numbers 1 to 12 in blue. If you want to know what 4 times 4 is, go along from the 4, keep going till you get to the 4 at the top. 4 times 4, and the answer is in the middle of the cross. 4 times 4 is 16. If you want to work 9 times 4, just go down to 36. Just go down to 9, and you see the answer is 36. So all you have to do is move it across the grid, and it traces it along for you rather than you having to use your finger and keeping the same line. So this is a really nice tool to use online if you can access this. So that's 5 times 8, and the answer here is 40. 12 times 6 is 72. 12 times 11 is 132. And all you have to do is go across and down, and you can see exactly what times tables you're working on. So if you go back up here, or if you go back up to the top, you have to use my finger, back up to the top, you can see it's 11 there. And if you go back up to this side, you can see it's 12 there as well. It's also a really good website for looking at comparing fractions, equivalent fractions. So if you know all these here are equivalent to a half, so 1/2 is the same as 2 quarters. So if you had one piece of pizza and you cut it into 4 equal pieces, 2 of those pieces would be half the pizza, and so on throughout here. So if you go back to the grey on the side here, you can see 1/2 on the side, and you just go along, so you can see 3/6 of the pizza. It would still be a half because your top number is half of the bottom number. So it's half of the number of pieces that you split your whole into. Okay, and now I'm going to move on to some fractions from the